Today's project will be changing the rear differential fluid on a 2015 Toyota 4Runner 5th generation. I'm David. Grab your tools. You're watching Fixity-Fix.
Fixity-Fix!
We'll start by using a 24mm 6-sided socket to remove the fill plug. We always remove the fill plug first because if you remove the drain plug and then can't get new fluid in through the fill plug, you're in trouble. So we pop out the drain plug all the way after loosening both with a breaker bar. Watch the fluid drain. After it's drained for 10 or 15 minutes, just to get out all of the oil we can, we will put a new washer on the drain plug. The drain plug's the one with the magnet on it, so we wipe off all the detritus from the magnet. This is normal. You're going to have some filings and shavings from normal operation of the differential. And now we'll get the drain plug ready for reinstallation with a brand new crush washer. We'll paint some Teflon Anti-Seize on the threads, just a nice thin coat to keep that sucker from freezing up next time you are doing your maintenance. Careful not to cross thread, soft metals here. Get it reasonably tight with a regular ratchet, and then we'll switch over to the torque wrench for the Toyota spec of 29 foot-pounds. Setting up the torque wrench, 29 foot-pounds, click and click, 2 clicks. And then we want to add 3.3 quarts of 75 W90 synthetic Mobil 1 is what I'm using here. I'm just using a cheap plastic hand pump that screws right into multiple sizes of oil bottles. You'll see me fill this fill hole up until oil consistently is weeping out of the fill plug. All right, there's the overflow we are looking for. So we wipe down the fill hole and we put a new crush washer on the fill plug, wipe things down, and we will torque this down to, again, 29 foot-pounds. Get it snug with a regular socket wrench. Finally, we'll torque the fill plug to 29 foot-pounds, and we are done.